Ha, where am I?
Hello, Ruby. I have made a hame for you. You must pass this rope bridge to live, but if you fall, you instantly die, so good luck.
Where's Ruby? We've been waiting for her for 1 hour.
I don't know, but am going to the balcony.
Where the hell did she go?
Oh, good, you're awake. Don't ask questions. You just fainted and fell off the balcony, but you luckily survive. You may go home now.
Where am I?
Hello, Becca. You are in my bunker. There's a loaded shotgun in front of you, and if you hold your breath long enough, you might survive.